How to find related birthdays notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find related birthdays notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here, and now go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click this one, settings, and now go down and you will find the hair notifications, and then go down and you will find her birthdays, and here you can find this one, related birthdays. Just turn it off or turn it on, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.